Hello ClickChauffeur drivers. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate a flat rate for another vehicle. Duplicating flat rates can save you time and ensure consistency across your pricing. Let's get started from your dashboard. Go to the package section where you manage your flat rates. To duplicate a flat rate, click on the dark blue icon that looks like two flies next to the rate you want to duplicate. Your duplicated flat rate will be added subsequently. Now you can adjust the vehicle type and prices as needed for the duplicate rate. For example, I'm going to just change the fixed price to 100 and with the surcharge going for 160. A tip for you: if you own more than two types of vehicles, duplicate your flat rates and just change the vehicle type and prices. This way you'll have an identical flat rate but with different prices based on the vehicle. And another tip for you: save time by duplicating flat rates that start from the same area and only change the destination and prices. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a flat rate for another vehicle, making it easier to manage your pricing efficiently. Remember, duplicating flat rates saves time and ensures consistency in your pricing strategy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep your pricing consistent and your clients happy.